all that drama. Long-term smoke like an all-day sauna. Fried with the fucks on none. Feeling like fuck my lungs and I'm feeling like fuck y'all too, man. I don't care what y'all do. Better have my check with enthusiasm. Finna make a cool nigga get moody. Yeah, I'm on my whole last trip. I'm an expedition. Play it once, better get an extra listen.
My fender was welded together from that this post here. Alright, so that's gonna have to wrap up this video. I got a lot of work to do because I made a huge mess in the shop and I gotta clean all this up because Dad's gonna kill me. But where we're at right now is motor and trans is out, obviously, and this is what the truck is looking like. So I need to do a lot of cleaning and straightening out what I'm gonna do with some of these cables because I'm not gonna reuse all of them. But yeah, this thing's a mess. It needs to be cleaned really bad. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed. And I got a lot of work to do. There's so much cat litter I have used. But I guess it wouldn't be a normal functioning shop if it wasn't a mess, right?